Hi, welcome back to the Tracking Success channel, and today we're going to talk about how to see if a link is a do follow or a no follow. This knowledge is important for your website's ranking and visibility, so let's get started. First, we're going to talk about what these links are. Do follow links you can see like a bridge. When a search engine sees a do follow link, it follows it to the next page. This helps your website gain authority and rank higher. And yeah, this is what you want. And on the other hand, you have no follow links that are like stop signs, and they tell search engines like, hey, don't count this link for the ranking. And these are used when linking to less relevant on or unverified sources. And this they help maintain your website's credibility. So how to set them apart? First of all, I mainly use two ways, through HTML, as you can see right here, and through a SEO tool called Ahrefs. So first of all, we're gonna go with HTML. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the link that you want to check. You're gonna do right click, inspect, and then you will see the link right here. And when it is a no follow, you should see this code no follow. And when it's a do follow, there's no code right here. So that is the first one. It's very easy once you've done it once or twice. Then the second one is through Ahrefs. This is a free to use tool. They also have a pay plan, but you can do this with free. You have to create a project, and then you will see this, and then you go to backlinks, and then you will search for like Nofollow, and Ahrefs tells if a link is no follow. So if there is nothing, it is a follow, and if you see this, it's a no follow. So that was really it. This was a video on how to tell if a link is a do follow or no follow by looking at the HTML and looking at Ahrefs. I hope you find this video useful. Hit the thumbs up below the video. This way I can check what kind of videos you all like and what should I create in the future. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. This was Tracking Success for now, and I'll see you in the next one.